This sounds completely fake, but every single one of these is actually in the Bible. Let's see how many you knew. All right. Keep track of how many you actually know, and comment your score at the end. Let's start with the first one. Fact 1. A man lived inside a fish for 3 days. Explanation. Jonah was swallowed by a great fish and stayed alive inside it for 3 days before being released. Jonah 1-2. That sounds impossible, but it happened. Fact 2. The sun once stood still in the sky. Explanation. God caused the sun to stand still so Joshua could win a battle. Joshua 10:13. Time literally stopped. Fact 3. A man was taken to heaven without dying. Explanation. Enoch walked with God and was taken directly to heaven. Genesis 5:24. He never experienced death. Fact 4. Fire fell from heaven and consumed everything. Explanation. God sent fire from heaven to prove Elijah was his prophet. 1 Kings 18:38. Even the water was burned up. If you've gotten all of these right so far, you're honestly doing better than most people watching this video. But don't get too confident yet. The next ones get even harder. So keep going, stay focused, and comment your score at the end. And don't forget to subscribe to Bible Quiz CA so you don't miss the next challenge. Fact 5. A shadow moved backward in time. Explanation. God made the shadow go backward as a sign to King Hezekiah. 2 Kings 20:11. Time reversed. Just for a moment. Fact 6. A wall collapsed without being touched. Explanation. The walls of Jericho fell after the Israelites marched and shouted. Joshua 6. No weapons, just obedience. Fact 7. A man survived a night with lions. Explanation. Daniel was thrown into a lion's den, but was protected by God. Daniel 6. Not a single bite. Fact 8. 3 men walked through fire and didn't burn. Explanation. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were unharmed in a fiery furnace. Daniel 3. They weren't alone in the fire. How many of these did you actually know so far? Don't just guess, really think about it. A lot of people assume they know these, but get surprised. Go ahead and comment your number below, and let's see how you compare to everyone else watching. And if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to Bible Quiz CA for more. Fact 9. Water came out of a rock. Explanation. God provided water for Israel when Moses struck the rock. Exodus 17. In the middle of a desert. Fact 10. A man lost all his strength because of a haircut. Explanation. Samson lost his strength when his hair was cut. Judges 16. It wasn't just hair, it was a vow. Fact 11. Jesus walked on water. Explanation. Jesus walked on the sea, showing his authority over nature. Matthew 14. And Peter tried too. Fact 12. Dead bones came back to life. Explanation. Ezekiel saw a vision of dry bones rising and living again. Ezekiel 37. A picture of restoration. Fact 13. An army was defeated without a fight. Explanation. God caused enemies to turn on each other. Judges 7. Victory without battle. Fact 14. Food fell from the sky every day. Explanation. God provided manna from heaven for Israel. Exodus 16. Daily provision from nowhere. Be honest. How many have you gotten right up to this point? Drop your score in the comments below. I'm really curious how you're doing. Some of these are easier than they look, but others will definitely catch you off guard. If you like these Bible challenges, hit subscribe to Bible Quiz CA right now, because the next video will be even harder. Fact 15. The earth once opened and swallowed people.
Grab my hand! We're gonna
Explanation.
die.
The ground opened and swallowed Korah and his followers. Numbers 16:32. The earth itself became judgment. So, how many did you actually know? Be honest. Drop your number in the comments below. If you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to subscribe to Bible Quiz CA and check out the next video on your screen. It's even harder.